Better cooking now ahead of Thanksgiving. Instant pots are all the rage right now, and our parent company, the Meredith Corporation, did a little research to find out the top instant pot recipes residents in Springfield make. And I'm going to show you how to make one of those recipes. Now, it can be found, all of them can be found rather on recipes.com. But first, we're making roasted Brussels sprouts with pancetta. So I've turned on our Instant Pot pressure cooker already, set it to the saute function, and we've put in our butter. Let me see how that's looking. It's melting, but not quite there yet. So that's about 2 tablespoons of butter that you want to put in there. As far as ingredients go, we of course have our Brussels sprouts. We have a little salt and pepper. We have vegetable broth, and then we have the pancetta, which was already diced up. So that was easy and good to go. Now, as soon as your butter is boiling, which the majority of it, you want to take the lid off while you saute. The majority of it is melted, so we're going to throw the pancetta right in there. Crisp that up. Now, this is great for anyone who's busy for Thanksgiving because the prep is supposed to take about 5 minutes, which I can say probably was the case. Cooks for about 25 minutes, so altogether should only be a 35-minute meal. And this is great for a side dish that you can impress your family and friends with. Now that our pancetta is crispy, we're going to add about 12 ounces of our Brussels sprouts. Keep those sauteing with the lid off in the Instant Pot until they're golden. That'll take about 7 minutes. Now that we've let this sizzle and saute for about 7 minutes, we're going to add a little vegetable broth. And we're going to sprinkle salt and pepper right in there. Stir it all together, and we're going to cover it and let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. We're also going to change the pressure cooker to high. So our timer just went off, so the next step is to quick release the button and let all the steam out for the next 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, you release the pressure, and then it should be done. Voila! So we have roasted Brussels sprouts with pancetta. How easy was that? That was about 25 minutes from start to finish. And you have a great appetizer for Thanksgiving. Now you can find all of these recipes at allrecipes.com.